Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm gonna tell you about how you can enable smart sidebar in your Motorola smartphone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to open your settings, then you have to search here accessibility, or you can also go to gestures. Here it is gestures. Click on sidebar and you have to enable it like this, and you can see the preview. Also multitask by opening your favorite apps in freeform or full screen window. You can see you have to just swipe left side, and here you can see the quick sidebar. When you just swipe left, it will open for you. You can see this, and it is a floating window. You can just exit by, you can see, by doing this it will exit. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.